Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 430. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the Twitter in case you want to engage with us there. And yeah, I do reply to you guys if you ping me or something. Might be a little bit delayed sometimes, but I do tend to reply to everyone. Now, yo, happy weekend, happy Sunday. Sorry I wasn't here yesterday. I know some of you guys asked on the chat. I was busy yesterday, dude. It was the wife's birthday. I said on Friday I was not going to be here. Steve, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. And I'm here today. So yeah. What a great day on the market, right? 2 great days so far, and today's opening up to be okay. So let's go and do this little switch here and see what's happening with market cap, man. Market cap moving above the 20 moving average. Right, let's go to daily so we can look at it. Right, look at how nice. Oh, dude, it's not auto scaling. There we go. Look how nice we moved on Saturday. Went up 18.98 billion dollars, right? 3.63%. Look how good we did on Sunday. 2.20%, approximately 11.95 billion dollars. Today we're still moving up slightly, 0.57%, 3.17 billion dollars. Now this is Monday's candle, so we're doing extremely good with this. Now, back above the 786, right? At 351.54 billion, and back above the 20, which is good on hidden bullish that we called out here on the 11th, right? On Friday night. So if you were here on Friday, you knew about this. You know, we were talking about potential movement to the upside again, trying to reverse the small drop that we had, and that's good, right? We're pushing back up. On that note, it's neutral. It's neutral at the RSI at 57.98. Let's go and check out Bitcoin dominance at 64.36%. Bitcoin lost dominance yesterday, 0.40. Today, getting 0.22, sitting at 64.35% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin at 19,333 buckaroos. That's good. Where have we gone with Bitcoin? Well, we have recovered again. Remember how I told you I was not going to get worried unless we drop below this area and that we could bounce within this same zone that we're just bouncing within again. You know, we've talked about these levels. Market is sideways motion. It's a little bit boring. Friday, I told you guys I was getting a little bit worried because we're pulling back down. We're pushing back up by then. But, you know, had me a little bit worried that we might be weak and that we could drop. But, again, we're still within the channel, right? At 19,496, 17,960, 17,976. I was worried that we could come here really quickly to 17,200 and then potentially break even 17,090. Right, $17,090, or $16,951, right? So those were the zones that made me a little bit worried, but you know, we're good. Sorry, that 17,090 is because I was selecting something. But there we go. Our target 16,951 is still there. So what did we do? We came to the bottom of the channel, found support. Pump back up, got almost to the top of the channel. Have not gotten there quite yet at 19,496. Will Bitcoin be strong enough to burst through? On the daily, we don't have anything, right? We just went to neutral. We're sitting neutral still right now at 59.70 on the RSI. From high to low, positive to negative, high to low. So everything is good right now. We could move up. On the daily, we have to go ahead. Right, let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, man. Again, when we were on the stream, we're holding on or starting to get back onto this area. You can tell this was on the 11th. That was 10 p.m. candle. I was worried about this divergence that we were starting to develop here that could potentially move us down. We had the strong bullish. We knew we were going to move up on that. And that one we had called on the same day, right? I drew this one. It was fine. We have talked about it on Thursday, right? Maybe doing this move. Had that strong bullish divergence to move to the upside, and we got it. That's fine. Now this might still play onto here, right? This is higher, this is lower, right? So this just kept on building, and again, hidden bearish and hidden bullish is one of those things that you can keep on tracking as things grow until we no longer have them, right? Now we did move down slightly, and that's fine. And this I like. We got back also into this channel, right? We hit resistance at the mid part, managed to move up, hit resistance at this all top of the rectangle before we actually burst through, and then on the move down we found support here at the old channel, right, at the top of the old channel. So using what used to be resistance now, right, this resistance as support. So that's giving some validity to our channel, and that's good because here we saw resistance as well trying to break back in. So we have good stuff here on the charts. We have that medium, or sorry, that hidden bearish divergence for potential movement down. It did get us to flag slightly, right? And now we're trying to get another movement to the upside, and that's fine. We're still sitting, just bought at 64.84, and we don't have anything short term, right? High, low, positive is positive, high, there, lower point. We're good, except for that hidden bearish that's moving us down slightly. So let's go to the 1 hour chart, right? It's very, very good for Bitcoin, man. I like what I'm seeing. Again, here, right? Same thing. We're live here at this chart, 9 p.m. I was worried about this, trying to find support here. I said, we're going to flag, and let's see what happens, right? We kept on flagging, and then we just took off. And that is fine. I was worried about this divergence. It did move us down, right? Moves down to this area. We actually hit this bottom part of the rectangle, and then we just took off, like, extremely, extremely nice. Now, what's happening here? Every time we're going higher against the MACD, I do believe we're having bearish divergence. I'm just going to have to confirm here. 39.60 and 36. So yes, on the 1 hour chart. Dang, that's awesome. It's there already. From here to here, right? We're coming up higher every time and creating strong bearish divergence. Now we created it here, right? We moved down slightly, found support at this area, pump back up, move this down. Now we're breaking the 20. We're pushing back above it briefly, and that is on some hidden bullish divergence that we've manufactured. And it's from here to here, and from here, here's a negative momentum. It says 0.61 negative to more negative momentum. On the other side, we're also having that same move, right? We're going from a low to a higher low, and we're coming from a high point to a lower point, thus giving us that support. Crowd, please, as well as ADA, of course. Yes, sir. CRO and ADA. Which one do you want first? So hidden bullish trying to get us to rally, right? And what I'm seeing is this. Sorry, guys. Daughter came in and was messing around with the mic. What I'm seeing is this. If we fail to go higher than this previous high, bearish divergence, strong, still kicks back in and moves us down again. We'll be showing weakness. So we really need to get this to move higher. Right? ADA always cool, man. We'll look at ADA first. Right on. So we're just sitting bought at 61.91, and I'm super happy with Bitcoin. Right? I'm okay with it. Let's go check out Ethereum at $590.38. What's it on the daily, man? I was moving back up again. Good stuff happening with it. Today already, almost 0.06% negative. So almost nothing. It's pushing back up. That's fine. 1, 2 green. Still trying to move up. Hidden bullish still came into play. There's nothing else happening here. We're sitting neutral at 56.98 on the RSI. So we're still on track to move to the upside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, look, we're hunting for this divergence. Right? We obviously pumped higher. We're much higher and higher. So from here to here, we kind of had it, at least to this point here. Right, moved this down to the 20, so I could track it onto there. Found support and then pumped up, right? So that's fine. We're not doing anything else here on the 4-hour chart. Just bought at 63.62. So let's go to the 1 hour, because Ethereum doesn't have anything there. On the 1 hour chart, right? Look, we had the same bearish divergence that we had with Bitcoin. It did move us down slightly. Right, we were live. When was the last time I came here? 11th. So 11th at 9 p.m. Where were we at? Here, right? We were starting to get on this climb, and that was fine, right? This just kept on tracking from here to here, right? That tracked on from there to there, and that would have just tracked on from there to there. That's hidden bearish. I mean, you just gotta keep on watching out for it. So most of the times, or sometimes it just doesn't play out. It did move us down, hit that 20 found support, and then took that very, very nice rally. Now, where are we going with those rallies, right? 1.72, 1.61. So First things first, we're coming lower. There. Make sure this is going to be in the 1 hour. It is. And then 1.61, and here it's 1.50, right? So still slightly less positive, right? And here we're coming in higher, right? And then higher still. So creating strong bearish divergence every time. Even from here to here, we have strong bearish divergence. Just against the RSI, we don't have it, right? But again, that's what's moving us down. We're near resistance at 602. We're really not that far off. We're like 12 bucks away from it. So we could hit it still today. We have some hidden bullish, right? That's probably the reason that we're moving up right now. Like that, and then, yeah. Here, right? Do we have it here? No, we don't have it against the RSI. Just bought at 61.93. Hidden bullish could get us to rally. If this fails to go higher than this previous high here at 594, 594.44, then we could be looking for a movement down to happen. Ethereum at $590.83. Nice. Let's go check out XRP, man. XRP is one of the ones that has me a little bit worried. It's not performing that well. It has kind of recovered, but really, man, this move I wasn't expecting when it happened, right? It happened an hour earlier than I was expecting it to happen. And I talked about that on Friday. Because the exchange that I used, they said they were taking a snapshot at 6 p.m. Central. And this started to drop at 5 p.m. Central. And I was like, what the hell's going on, dude? Like, it's just going down hardcore. People dumping it prior to the snapshot. So I couldn't, like, move it because I was waiting for the snapshot to happen. So anyways. Coming down. That would have tracked onto there. That tracks onto here. We still have the hidden bullish. Still waiting for it to play out, right? Neutral at 49.46 on the RSI. That's it. It's starting to move up slightly, but below that 54.81. I really want to see XRP above this level. And even trying to get back above that 58 and change. You actually thought that would happen? Some people selling before. Yeah, remember I told you it was part of my strategy to sell half. Speculators trying to get out early. Yeah, and remember I even said that example. Like, if it goes to $1, would you be willing to get out before the snap and then really don't care and just buy, like, you know, flare whenever it comes out with however much you raked in? Because you're going to buy back in lower, right? But I was really expecting, like, to see what happened at 6 p.m. And it just, like, it dropped prior to that. Like, is this candle here, man? This one got massive pullback, so that's fine. Now, I was looking for something bullish here. We absolutely didn't get it, right? We kept on going lower. That's fine. But from the previous island, now we do have something that we can work with here. Low, lower, right. Then negative, less negative. Low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral right now, 41.40. Again, trying to go back up. Let's see if we can manage to get above that 20. High to low, positive at 65, 121. Creating hidden bearish right now on the 4-hour chart, and it's anchored here, so it's all good. We don't have it against RSI. So that's about it for XRP in the 4-hour, right? Again, potential moving down on the hidden bearish. Let's hope the strong bullish manages to push it back up. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart. This is the move that messed me up. This was 5 p.m., right? 17 hours. And the exchange was supposed to do this at 6 p.m., right? Anyways, had that bullish divergence. I was waiting again for this to pop. It didn't, right? It did pop here, but then after that, it was just moving down. We're at the stream here, 9 p.m. I was hoping to hold on to a 20. Yeah, I was the mid part of the channel. I was really watching out for a couple things, and that just didn't happen here with XRP. So that's a little bit of a bummer. I'm stretching out this downsloping channel because we're still within this channel, and you know, it's fine. Again, I'm not pinpointing it right now. I just want to get deep main flow of the channel. The mid part might be a slightly higher, slightly lower, but not by much. Anyways, we didn't manage to move lower, right? So this would have gone to there, and then this would have also just gone down there. So no point in calling that one out. Just shorter term though, right? On the 1 hour. So from here to here, coming inside lower. And from here to here, right, and from here to here. So on that, we are creating that strong bullish divergence. Is this from the 4 hour? No, it's from the 1 hour. It shouldn't be there. And then here, we would also have some bullish divergence on the 1 hour chart. From here to here, and from here to here. What is this? 343, 324, yeah, very, very slight. Strong bullish divergence there. And a strong bullish pop, hit the 20, reject it, create more strong bullish, even against the RSI, and then take that new pop. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, and there's such a hard point. Everything's good here. All right, just floating right now. Let's see, low, all right, and some hidden bullish right now. All right, so good stuff here, just against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. Neutral at 53.03. Again, with potential to move to the upside right now, struggling to get or sustain prices above the 20 moving average. XRP tightness on the Bollinger Band starting to come in. She's not looking that bad, right? I'm okay with XRP right now. I just don't like the way it's performing on the daily or in a larger time scale. That it just, you know, Bitcoin is recovering, Ethereum is recovering, and XRP is just like, I'm too weak now. It took a lot of effort to do that split or that hard fork on Flare. So yeah, it's just I would have loved to see XRP moving more. Let's check out Litecoin. I know it's Sunday, dude. I forgot to look at Bitcoin weekly close. And Bitcoin futures, because it's already opened. So we'll look at those right now, actually. This has a massive gap. Right, look, we have a huge gap. Are we going to close it? That's going to be a magical question. This gap here, it's probably closed by this gap. But anyways, I'm still trying to determine whether or not we're going to come down and close this gap. And then just regular Bitcoin on the weekly. Let's go to a much cleaner chart to look at this. We had a red week. Look, we bounced at the top of this other channel that we used to have, which is fine. You see, that's support and moving back up. That's great, man. You know, failing to want to get back into those levels, and that's okay for Bitcoin, right? Again, starting to stall here a little bit. However, larger trend, we just have, we don't even have bearish divergence from here. High, higher, positive, more positive, right? It's all good for Bitcoin right now. Great stuff. Let's go Litecoin. The Litecoin. On the daily, what's happening? Had the hidden bullish, pop to the upside, that's great. Boom, hitting the top part, dude, right? The fib node, that's fine, the 50%, and we're rejecting it. It's okay. Neutral at 55.59 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour chart, we're looking for this bearish divergence here. This just keeps on tracking to there. That just tracks onto there. We still have that hidden bearish. Again, strong bullish still in play, right? And just sitting bought at 67.68. That's it. We're not doing much right now on the 4 hour. I hope that we negate this hidden bearish that we have on a couple of the charts and just keep on pumping, right? That would be awesome. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. On the 1 hour chart, man, what do we do? Right, so first things first. Let's chart this thing. We're going slightly higher, and then we're coming in lower here, creating bearish divergence, strong. Just against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. We moved down, hit that 20, found support, and took that very, very nice pop. Low to high, positive to more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Now, shorter term here. Yeah, right. And then here, that pop also on the 20. On a hidden bullish, right? So that's good. We have it also against the RSI here. Took that very nice pop, and now here it looks fine from the previous island, but within the same island, from here to here, we have strong bearish divergence for movement down. We don't have it against the RSI, but we're moving down. And on this move, again, creating at the 20, right, at a support, We are creating hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI this time. So that's it. Just sitting bought at 67.14. We could try to get another go up here. Again, same note. If this fails to go above this previous high that we had here, the closing at 84.34, we're very likely going to move down again. Let's go check out Binance on the daily. Binance taking that small pop. It didn't have any kind of bullish divergence. That's fine. We already established that. Following the rest of the markets, moving up, hitting the 20, sitting neutral at 50.58 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour. High, positive, more positive. Bought at 66.39. That's fine. Nothing here, right? High, higher, positive, more positive behind the RSI to a higher point. All good. Let's go to the 4-hour. Sorry, the 1-hour. The 1-hour gets interesting because we're developing bearish divergence. Look at that from here to here. I'm just gonna take it on one shot from here to here. The question is, well, I'm gonna have to do it by pockets. From here to here, from here to here, right? Bearish divergence, strong. We'll move down, pound support of the 20, take a pop. High, higher, right? Positive or positive behind there, side to a higher high. And then here, just short term, right? High, higher, high to low, and high to low. It's great. Dude, I had a friend stop by today. He gave me a free bottle of whiskey. Ain't that cool? Like a free bottle of whiskey for Christmas. Free bottle of whiskey, man. Scotch. Great stuff. If I would have known that I was going to get free whiskey, I would have not bought whiskey on the weekend. I bought a lot of whiskey on the weekend. I bought a Jameson's, a Glen... what did you get? Glenlivet? Yeah, Glenlivet. And Chivas 13 year. So I got a couple whiskey bottles. So Irish, Scotch blend, and then just a single malt. And then I got a free one from one of my buddies. Ain't that cool? Now that's a friend. Yeah, dude, I know. That's pretty cool, man, actually. I was like excited because, you know, more whiskey. I like whiskey, so yay. So nothing else going on here. Just bought it 63.77 right now. So, you know, it's fine. We are creating that hidden bullish, right, at support at the 20. So just like the rest of the cryptos have. So again, the market's starting to look a little more or less in sync still. On that note, let's go do ADA. Cardano. What's going on with Cardano on the daily, man? Rejecting the 236. Wow, not good. We have moved down. Sorry, this is it Cardano? This Cardano against Bitcoin. I didn't want to look at this one. I just want to look at Cardano. There we go. Hi, Fabella. Whiskey sour time. No, I don't like whiskey sour, dude. I just like it on the rocks or with scotch. Or, yeah, with club soda. Make Detroit great again. Hello. Hi. Hello. A little wavy hand. Yeah. Again, Cardano, right? Bullish divergence, taking that nice pop, hitting the 20. Talked about this move on Friday, right? We had it at the 786. 786, right? I'm not mistaken. There we go. Move up again above the previous resistance at 14.99. And still trying to get there. You don't mind ADA Bitcoin either? That's the one you trade the most. I'll look at the ADA Bitcoin afterwards, though. Right now, so bearish rejecting at 20, starting to move down slightly. We don't have anything bearish right now, just neutral at 55.05. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. On the 4-hour, again, we were looking for this. It just tracked onto there. One more candle, and one more candle. Had the bearish divergence. Hidden. We moved down, hit the 20, found support, and took that very, very nice pop, and that's great. We no longer have it. Neutral, 59.85 right now. From back here, we would have something, but I don't want to anchor from here because we do have this island. And for me, that's going to be great there. Let's go to the 1-hour chart because really, we just got above an area that we were trying to get above. Again, this was on the 11th at 5 in the morning. We were here already by the night, right? So somewhere around here. We're talking about the flag that we're making, hoping that we're going to move to the upside. We didn't. We moved down briefly, but that's fine. Then we just took the strength and rallied like an MF, right? High to low, positive was positive. High on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. So from here to here, we're good on this part. Let's see if we have something here magical happening. Nope. So we just moved down, and then here, negative, less negative, low, high, Low, lower, some, all right, some hidden bullish. Action to the upside, right? Do that nice pop. The question is, are we doing something? I'm just gonna get the last digits here. 809 990, right? So slightly more. So higher, positive, more positive, high on our side to a higher point. That's great. Now let's go zoom in slightly more even, and let's go from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, right? Bearish divergence, action to the downside. We're down on that. Target would be 14.99. We have not quite hit it yet. We try to bounce, hitting the 20 as resistance. And why are we doing that? We do have a little bit of this little thing we call hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. We don't have it against RSI. Neutral 54.74. That's it for 88 against the dollar. Let's look at it against Bitcoin. I rarely look at things against Bitcoin because for me, if I want to get out of a coin, I'm very likely going to get out the dollars to try to preserve value, particularly if all the markets are crashing. I would very rarely move it into Bitcoin unless I wanted to increase my Bitcoin position. So I rarely look at how they're doing against Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin's still paired against the dollar. So if you gain value against Bitcoin, that means probably the price of Bitcoin's going down, meaning it's worth less dollars, but your coin is worth more dollars against Bitcoin. So at the end, it's just like an equivalency that, you know, for me, it's just easier to look at. It's easier to look at a dollar sign, right? A dollar pair. So what do we have here? We created some bullish divergence, right? From here to here. From here to here on the 1 hour. Right? I'm going to 1 hour first because we're already here. So here, we can track it up there. Strong bullish action to the outside. Took that pump, rejecting at the 382. Moving below the 236 at 807 sats. So rejecting that area. Again, creating the same stuff, right? Hidden bullish, which might try to get us to go higher, but we just, that's the only thing we have here, man. We had the bearish divergence here. Here, and that's it. Neutral at 50.55. Sorry, this is a daily. Wow, let's go to the 4 hour now. Right, so we had this bullish divergence, right, this from the 1 hour. So whatever we called here on the 1 hour, it's obviously playing out. So it's going to the upside. Alright, let's do that pop now. High, similar height, coming slightly lower, creating medium bearish divergence here for action to the downside. That's what I'm going to call it right now. I'm not going to go into detail, but it could be strong bearish. Let's just check. Close at 814. Close at 798 and close at 798. So yeah, sideways. Medium bearish moving down. Now we're going slightly higher, so low, high, positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 52.81. That's it for this on the 4 hour. Let's anchor this on the 4. I forgot to. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour? Again, same stuff, right? Like whatever this from like the daily, I guess. Yeah. It made no sense, but whatever we called here, right? Pumped us to the upside nicely, so it's great. It had a nice pump. Right, and then high, low, positive, high, there's a lower point. Nothing here. Now low, lower, negative. Yeah, I can because we have a negative here. So low, lower, that's fine. Now here, dude, shorter term from here to here, coming lower. From here to here, right? Strong bullish. We took that nice pop. High, higher, positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point, so all good. And then just from here to here, as we were like going higher, we're still coming lower, creating that bearish divergence and moving down on that, right? Even if we go here, we're still coming in higher. And we're still going in lower here. So moving down. That's it, dude. That's it for this right now. Neutral at 49.04. So right now we're looking for moving down on the strong bearish divergence. That's about it. We could try to get a pop to the 20 at 800 sats, but right now it looks like we're going to move down. Thing that could happen is we're going to probably move lower. Let's say, I'm not going to call it a target, but let's say 780 for an example. We're going from negative to probably more negative momentum and create some some hidden bullish to try to rally. That's gonna be it for ADA. Let's go check out Crow. Have we looked at Crow before? I think we have. Just gotta find it. Crow, here it is. I actually have two. Which one do we chart on? This one. Awesome. Right. So look at this. This is insane, man. We're looking for this bullish divergence, right, to get the rally. We did get a small rally happening. But this just kept on moving down, and this is still higher. So we still have that strong bullish divergence. Now we're waiting for it to play out. Now, on the daily also. Look at this, right? From here to here. And then from here to here, right? Creating that strong bullish still. Trying to go up. Got very close to the 20. Rejecting right now. Moving positive still. Let's see if we're going to try to go up. But the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten a lot. This just found to take off. By the way, this is 6.07 cents right now. Let's go to the 4-hour Crow. Alright, so we have some stuff here that we could call strong bullish divergence against the MACD at least, and also the RSI. I've just seen that with my own eyes. There we go. Right, so higher possible positive high on the RSI to higher point. That's good here. Now on the RSI, where's me here? It's that from here to here, and from here to here, right? It appears high on the RSI. We have hidden bearish, and that's probably what's moving us down. On the 1 hour, we might have some bearish divergence here also, right? So I'll just do this for an exercise real quick and see if I'm calling this correctly. I'll just send that to the 1 hour chart. Just why not? And we'll see if we can catch up with that there. I'm thinking that we have some kind of bearish divergence involving here. Let's see here. Yep, we do. 3, 2, great. Slightly larger move. But look, this is 0.0003, and then this is the same but 2 at the end, right? So it's slightly less. So strong bearish divergence moving down. On the RSI, we're still coming higher, so it's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? Again, just like the other projects. What do I mean by the other projects? Well, have the hidden bullish, right? Now a little lower still. Strong bullish right now for Crow. Could move up at least to the 20. 20 being at 6.12, and then if he gets above the 20, we could try to get another crack at this level here at 6.25. And let's see how that plays out, dude. I'm gonna look at DVT real quick, see how DVT is doing. I haven't looked at DVT in a while. Not looking too happy. 1.4 sats again on MACD, RSI. Alright, so here we're just going flat. I mean, there's really no point in lower, right? Negative, less negative, right? We have some strong bullish divergence. But again, I'm not super excited because, you know, it's such a small cap project right now that anything can move it, right? It doesn't matter whether or not it has divergence. So, you know, but it does have it. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see if, I mean, it has had strong bullish divergence before. It just fell into perform. Victor Miller, what have I been missing? I had my kits this weekend. Just looked, and we are back at 19K. Well, we had some bullish divergence, bro. Talked about that on Friday. Here's sideways again, then you know, positive to negative, and then low to high on the RSI, right? So strong bullish divergence. Yay for the strong bullish divergence. I can do the upside. Well, let's go to the daily, man. Look here, we're just going flat, right? Flat like a pancake, and then going from negative to less negative and low to high on the RSI, right? So yay for this stuff, right? Strong bullish or medium bullish. Sorry, medium bullish here. Potential action to the upside. Let's see if it's actually going to play out for this. Really hoping to see this project start to take off. And I'm still doing good on it, right? Because it's paired against Bitcoin. So, you know, my Bitcoin Valley is still preserved. So that's it. Let's go and check out RSI, and then I'll go back to Bitcoin for Victor. Victor Miller. I'm not sure why, like, when I see your picture, dude, that's tiny little picture that you have in your icon, for some reason I just think of like a British accent in a James Bond villain. Dude, sorry if I'm like completely off with that. That's what it looks like, dude. I was like, oh damn, dude, it looks like a Bond villain. Ha! I am Victor Miller. Bond, you shall perish. Oh, let's get to RSR, bro. RSR on the daily. Right, so we're looking for this divergence. That's fine. That tracks onto there, just tracks onto there. You know, action to the upside. Yay, we're moving up. But guess what? We're still in the same channel from the 50% to the 382. So I'm not super excited by it. You know, whatever. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's not doing much. Again, bullish divergence. Took that pop, moved down, managed to, you know, not drop lower in the previous low. Continuation, moving up. Again, tightening on this wrench. I was getting ready for my wedding for my ex. I just never changed the picture. Right. High to low, positive, high on the other side, lower point. Let's do the 1 hour chart. High, higher, high to low, low to high. Right, so from here to here, I'm just going to take this one shot. I'm going to ignore the small breaks that we have there because they're tiny. They're just one island breaks. And here it's just flat like a pancake, so there's not a lot. But, you know, bearish divergence, strong, moving down happening. That's fine, you know. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? So there is that bullish divergence hidden that's happening. Sorry. Sneeze. That's happening here, like the rest of crypto has, right? And this also has against the RSI. So great stuff for RSI. Let's do Bitcoin because you know why we're up at 19K, bro. I'm not sure. Right, look at this, dude. I called this on Friday. Bullish divergence. We're still on this channel, right? That's why I'm not worried. Friday I did say I was starting to get worried because we had wick below this area for the second time in a couple days. And I was really worried that we're going to lose support at 17,781. We had this hidden bullish. It's popping us to the upside. We're almost at the top again of this, you know, sideways motion that we have. Again, that's confirming we're just moving sideways in the market and consolidating this level and neutral at 59.35 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had this bullish divergence on Friday again. Look at 2 in the morning. So by the time we're in the stream, we're like somewhere around here. Starting to move back up onto this level. Again, strong bullish divergence to that nice pop. Right now we have hidden bearish. Moving down slightly. Finding support at the previous channel, right? This, the previous resistance of the channel, the top part. We're trying to find support there for a bounce. Bought at 63.96. I'm still okay with Bitcoin. Like I said, I'm not super worried now that we're on the top part of the channel. And that's fine. What do we have here? I had this bullish divergence, right? 5 in the morning. We were like here on the stream. We started to consolidate this level, finding support here, and then we just nicely took off. Created bearish divergence, moved down slightly. Created bearish divergence again, moving down again to the support here, and then creating hidden bullish, and that's what's popping us up. We're still above the 20 right now, coming down, trying to hold support here. But you know, it's all good for Bitcoin, dude. I'm happy for it. So yeah, Bitcoin's still performing well. So from Friday, right? Friday it came down here at 17,630, and we did go all the way up here by today at 7 in the morning, right? So I'm just gonna track it there. It would have been a $1,700 move in approximately 2 days and 1 hour. So not bad, right? Not bad for Bitcoin. On dollars, exchange on percentage wise, it was just been a 10% rally, right? On 2 days, that's fine. 5% every day. It's good, dude. Not a lot of people give you 10% returns on your money, particularly on the weekend. Until now, until whatever we're at right now, we're still gaining 9.10%. Still not that bad. Well, that's it for crypto. What do you guys want to talk about? It is Sunday, so let me know. Otherwise, you know, there's no other requests. We did ADA, we did CRO, we did ADA to Bitcoin, we did DVT. We did RSR. Yeah. So we did Bitcoin futures. We did the Bitcoin weekly. So I think we're good, dude. So right now it's just you know, chill time. Do you guys get Flare? Did some of you guys participate on the Spark drop? You're just not really into much. Maybe Link. Right, we can look at Link. I haven't looked at Link, dude, in a while. Andrew used to request Link often before. And then I'm not sure. But let's go do Link. Link, we had bearish divergence. We broke down on that. That's great. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's the lower point. We didn't have anything bullish. At least not on the daily. We're just following the rest of the market, and that's fine. From the previous island, we do have some hidden bullish, and that's probably why we're seeing that pop again. This is just like the rest of the other projects, right? They all have the same thing happening. Oh, we also have it against the RSI, so that's fine. On that note, we did go up, hit the 20. We're actually hitting resistance at the 382. Yeah, 382. Sitting at $12.88 right now. The 382 is at $12.93. Well, I'll keep my XLP though. The whole thing is a project. I think it'll be around the longer term. Yeah, maybe, dude. Let's go check out the 4-hour chart. So lower, we came to support 11.56. That's great. We created this strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. All right, and we also have it here against the RSI. So we're taking that that small rally. Now higher, positive, more positive, higher RSI to a higher point. That's great. Now, again, same thing as we had with the other coin. I can't remember which one I called this thing also, but we had hidden bearish from the previous point here, the previous high on the RSI. So again, starting to move down on that, or flagging. Let's see if this flag can bring us for another pump to happen here and get above that 50% line here. All right, not looking too bad. See how this plays out. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, so that move there, and that move there. We have some strong bullish too. That nice pop created strong bearish within the same island from here to here, and from here to here. Broke down on that. That's fine. Now let's see. Low. It's coming lower still, so that's good, dude. From here to here, we're still coming lower. Negative. That's negative. And then on the other side, we're also having that same thing, right? Something like that. And then here, short term, right? Strong bullish divergence. So we take that nice pop, get above that 1156 resistance, which is fine. Found support, and then hit resistance here at the 50% retrace, I think, or the 382. And then reject it slightly, hit the 20 pump. Why do we do that, right? Why do we do that, man? Created some bearish divergence, strong against the MACD, not against the RSI, right? Against the RSI we went slightly higher, so it's fine. So move down, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to hard point. Again, bullish divergence still in play from back here. Took another rally and supported the 20. It's fine. And then high, higher, positive, more positive. High on the RSI to a higher point, right? From here to here, everything's good. Here we're just moving sideways more or less. We have dropped a little bit. We'll find support at 20 and trying to take a bounce. Now we do have that hidden bullish divergence here, like we had with the other projects, right? It's potential action to the upside. That's what we're looking for right now with Link. So it could be probably targeting again $13.74 or so. I think that's gonna be it for Link, dude. There's really not a lot of people tuned in today. It's just a mellow stream. If you like what we do, hit that like that button and sub. I think I'm gonna like call it a stream and go have dinner because I haven't had dinner yet. So, been live for about an hour. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like that button and sub. This is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. Every day, especially today on an awesome Sunday night. I hope you're having a great time, and I hope you found the content educational and entertaining. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Steve asking a question. Where do you think we're going to go this week? That's a good question, Steve. I think we're going to move sideways. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to retest 14,996 and see if it wants to run higher. We're going to have the all-time high above. No, but to be honest, I do believe we might still move within this channel still, within this area. That's where most of the moves have been, right? I don't think hidden bullish is going to get us to break this. We need at least maybe some strong bullish. How we're going to get that is we've got to get slightly higher, move back down, right? And then create some strong bullish divergence here, right? Like this might go here to like, 17,959. Then this just moves on to like something like that. Right, so and then we have that strong bullish divergence to like really just burst us through this level. But right now, I do believe we might still move sideways, unless something comes up with the regulation or something that knocks out Bitcoin. But if not, if we're just talking about the technicals, again, I will just probably be looking maybe to this go slightly higher, maybe try to come retest this area, but most of the movement to be contained within here. I mean, if we get above this area, conditions could turn bullish again, and we could really be trying to break above that 19,199 or that 20k. But if you ask me what we're gonna do, I do believe we're gonna get sideways motion still, right? We've been having sideways motion for a while now, so we'll go all the way back here and include that in as we went out here. We've just been moving sideways for like 24 days. Right, like I said, sideways motion can be brutal. We can move like 3 months sideways or 4 months sideways until we actually break. But so long as we stay within these levels, we should be okay. That's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for asking, Steve. Let's see if what I just said comes true on the week. That's gonna be it for tonight. Again, I hope you enjoyed the show, and I hope you found it educational and entertaining. And if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, and that is gonna be it for tonight, guys. Ooh, song is turning into like action and speed. Anyways, that's gonna be it, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna go have dinner. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you Monday.